Ever found yourself bored with nothing to do? It's a common predicament, isn't it? We all have those moments where we're left twiddling our thumbs, unsure of how to fill the void. But what if we could turn this boredom into something beneficial? Imagine harnessing these seemingly useless snippets of time and transforming them into productive bursts of energy. The question is, how do we do that? What if you could transform these idle moments into opportunities for growth and productivity? First up on our list is learning a new skill. Now, you might be thinking, learning? Isn't that supposed to be boring? Well, not necessarily. In fact, learning can be an exciting adventure, especially when you're picking up a new skill. It's about discovering a new territory, about stepping out of your comfort zone, and about expanding your capabilities. What's more, continuous learning has been linked to numerous benefits. It keeps your mind sharp, helps you adapt to changes, and can even boost your career prospects. And the best part? It's never been easier to learn a new skill. Thanks to the internet, a wealth of knowledge is just a few clicks away. Take, for instance, learning a new language. There are countless free resources online that make it possible to master a new language from the comfort of your own home. Or, how about coding? With a myriad of online courses available, you could start coding your own programs or even build a website from scratch. And let's not forget about the arts. Whether you're interested in painting, playing an instrument, or writing, there are numerous online platforms that provide beginner-friendly tutorials. You could even explore the world of culinary arts and learn to cook a new dish. But what if you only have a short amount of time on your hands? Well, learning doesn't have to be a marathon. It can be a series of sprints. In fact, studies suggest that learning in short bursts, also known as micro-learning, can be just as effective. So even if you only have 15 minutes to spare, you can still make progress in learning a new skill. In a nutshell, learning a new skill can transform your life. It can open up new opportunities, boost your confidence, and even help you connect with others who share the same interests. So the next time you find yourself bored, remember, you have the power to turn that idle time into a productive learning opportunity. So why not turn your boredom into a chance to learn something new? The second strategy is to get active. Now, this might seem a little cliche, but trust me, its impact on your life can be anything but ordinary. When boredom strikes, it's easy to fall into the trap of sedentary habits. But here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that physical activity can actually increase your brain's production of endorphins? Those are the feel-good neurotransmitters that can lift your mood almost instantly. Let's delve deeper into this. Physical activity is not just for those seeking to lose weight or build muscle. It's a universal strategy for overall well-being, with benefits ranging from improved mood, better sleep, to even boosting your creativity. It's a powerhouse for combating boredom and transforming your life. So, how do we translate this knowledge into action? The good news is, you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to get moving. There are plenty of quick, easy exercises that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Consider something as simple as stretching. Have you ever noticed how your body feels after a good stretch? It's like you're shaking off the cobwebs, right? Or how about some jumping jacks? They can get your heart rate up and shake off any lingering sluggishness. And let's not forget about push-ups, squats, or lunges. These are fantastic exercises for building strength and can be done anytime, anywhere. If workouts aren't your thing, no worries. Physical activity can be as simple as taking a brisk walk around your neighborhood, dancing to your favorite tune, or even doing some light gardening. The key here is to find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Incorporating physical activity into your day can transform those mind-numbing moments of boredom into opportunities for improving your health and well-being. It's about taking a proactive approach to your life, becoming an active player rather than a passive observer. So next time boredom creeps in, remember this strategy. Get up, get moving, and watch how your life begins to transform right before your eyes. Transform your idle time into a health-boosting session. The third strategy is practicing mindfulness. Imagine for a moment you're in a bustling city, cars honking, people rushing about, but you're in the eye of the storm, calm, focused, and fully present. That's mindfulness. It's the ability to be fully present, aware of where we are, what we're doing, and not be overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's happening around us. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information and distractions, mindfulness is like an oasis of calm, helping us to navigate life with grace and tranquility. It's a powerful tool that can help us to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance our overall well-being. Now you may be wondering, how can I practice mindfulness? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It's about being present in the moment. One simple way to practice mindfulness is to engage in mindful breathing. Just sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As you breathe in and out, notice the sensation of the air flowing through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. When your mind wanders, as it inevitably will, gently guide it back to your breath without judgment. Another effective method is mindful eating. Instead of wolfing down your food while watching TV or scrolling through your phone, pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Savor each bite and truly appreciate the nourishment it provides. Lastly, try incorporating mindfulness into your daily activities. Whether it's washing dishes, taking a shower, or walking, focus on the sensations and experiences of the moment. In essence, mindfulness is about living in the present, not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It's about tuning in, not tuning out. So, the next time you find yourself bored, instead of reaching for your phone or turning on the TV, why not try practicing mindfulness? Use your free time to tune into your thoughts and emotions. The fourth strategy is organizing your space. Think about it. A cluttered environment can often lead to a cluttered mind. It's challenging to focus on tasks at hand when you're surrounded by disarray. So the next time you find yourself bored, why not take the opportunity to create a clean, organized space? By organizing your space, you're not just tidying up, you're creating an environment that encourages productivity, reduces stress, and enhances your overall well-being. A study conducted by the Princeton University Neuroscience Institute found that physical clutter in your surroundings competes for your attention, leading to decreased performance and increased stress. So where do you start? Here are some tips on how to declutter effectively. Firstly, tackle one area at a time. This could be a room, a drawer, or even just your desk. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you try to do everything at once, so start small and gradually work your way up. Secondly, sort your belongings into 4 categories: keep, donate, sell, or throw away. Be ruthless and honest with yourself. If you haven't used something in the last 6 months, it's probably time to let it go. Thirdly, invest in storage solutions. This could be as simple as buying some boxes or baskets, or you might want to consider furniture with built-in storage. The key is to have a designated place for everything. Lastly, make it a habit. Organizing your space isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Set aside some time each week to maintain your space and keep the clutter at bay. By transforming your space, you're also transforming your mindset. A clean, organized environment can boost your mood, improve your focus, and increase your productivity. So the next time you're bored, grab a box, roll up your sleeves, and start decluttering. Turn your boredom into a catalyst for a more organized lifestyle. The fifth and final strategy is to network and connect. In this hyper-connected world, it's easy to underestimate the importance of networking and maintaining relationships. But it's these connections that can open up opportunities and experiences that would be otherwise inaccessible. You see, networking is not just about professional growth, it's also about personal development. It's about learning from others, sharing ideas, and gaining new perspectives. Now, you might be wondering, how do I network when I'm stuck at home? Well, thanks to technology, physical isolation is no longer a barrier. You can connect with people from all around the globe at the click of a button. Reach out to that old friend you haven't spoken to in a while, join online forums or communities that interest you, attend virtual events or webinars. Networking is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Use your idle time to build bridges and strengthen bonds. So there you have it, 5 productive ways to transform your life when you're bored. We've explored learning a new skill, getting active, practicing mindfulness, organizing your space, and networking. Each of these strategies has the potential to not just kill time, but to truly enrich your life. And the best part, you can start any of them right now. Why not give these strategies a try the next time you find yourself with nothing to do? Remember, every moment can be a step towards a more productive you. Thank you for tuning into this video and showing your support for self-education and lifelong learning. If you found this content valuable, please take a moment to show your appreciation by giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future.